Malta o, Malta Air. Oh, yun yung Malta Air. Ang layo pala. Wala yan ako yung bago.
Flight time's going to be around 1 hour and 5 minutes. So, in Treviso is a nice day with quality here, 0 degrees and conference. City and her team will be very shortly from safety demonstrations for your safety, so please give your attention once again. All very welcome aboard. So, thank you.
Ryanair flight operated by Malta Air going to Treviso. In Treviso is your destination. Please identify yourself to a member of the crew. Please move along the cabin aisle and take your seat as quickly as possible. Make sure your luggage and toilet are stored in your hand luggage provided. Small bags, duty-free bags need to be in the local time is 9 o'clock. For your own comfort and safety, please remember to your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the captain has reached the fasten seatbelt sign. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers as items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during landing and may fall off, causing injuries. Laptop computers and larger electronic devices must remain switched off and securely stowed. You may now use a portable electronic device. If you smoke, please don't smoke until you have reached a smoking area outside the terminal building. If you are seeking for car hire with Ryanair, you have 30% discount with Eurostar. On behalf of Ryanair and your own crew on board, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. We wish you good morning.
Pagyapon, balag may tulog. Hello, Benicia! Arrived safely.
And plan la quacha.
Ay ka dyan kali. Benicia! Kapasa mo kay Chang?
Da Vinci.
Oh, yung bus, barato lang din yung prinsip at tagtag 9 euro plus, kaya pag may chance,
Ano rin natin.
oh, kunin din natin.
Ito na yung availability.
What is the gravity?
Pero nagugutom na ba?
Oh, kain tayo doon, mag-pizza tayo.
Wala pang nakasulat na. Mag-brunch na tayo.
Yes, mag-brunch kami. I love the words brunch.
Walang nakasulat na yung eating. Wala naman. Ah? Wala nakasulat. Matura tayo dito.
Oh, tour na tayo. Tingin na tayo, oh. We are on tour now. Benicia, guys. Hello, guys. We're now in Benicia. We're on our tour. We're on our tour.
We are now.
Hello, ayan na. Hello, guys. Okay, friendship. What is the Benicia? Why are you?
Venice. I'm so interested because when I was in high school, we learned about the country. That's the smallest country in the world. So, I'm here.
You're here, those bucket list.
Huh?
Check.
Check, yes.
And Lisa. It's your
What
first
brought you
time.
here?
Lisa.
Lisa.
Lisa. Ay, pag Lauren.
Ano tayo mag-ano kapag nandito?
Hello. It's your first time.
No comment.
No comment. Hindi nakaintindi ng ano.
Dream come true daw, oh. Oy, maiiyak na daw siya. Pero mas ano ko, mas bet ko pag mag-ano talaga kami, no? Mag-train from here, going to Milan, going to Rome. Pag marami-raming budget.
Mag-dream lang muna tayo dyan.
Gawin din natin yan.
Dream, oo.
Gawin natin yan.
Excited na naman ito sa
next, wala pa gani. Hindi pa nakapag-start ng ano, ng tayong hotel niya. Sa every place.
Oo nga. Hindi pa nga natapos yung Benicia, may
Nagplano na ulit. Sa akin.
oo. Proud na proud yan eh.
Hawag mo si Maria. Oh.
Ano, nagkipat-kipatan mo, Maria na.
Uy, wala pa si Maria nung time na yan ha. Siya pa lang yan ha.
After
Mhm.
break ko kay Bart.
Paano ako mo naman ng ano?
Kasi tinawagan niya. Na-miss na kita.
Oh, kaya yun, nag-meet sila. How many nights kayo doon sa loob ng ano?
Dalawa pa eh. Mawawag pa talaga siya.
Mawak talaga eh.
Nakita mo naman.
Oo. Siyempre, yan na pinasa mo sa amin talaga, pinapainggit mo ah.
Ha? Sa bus?
Oo.
Dinala yung
Mag-ano?
parang magkapareho man kula.
Agay.
Yung parang alam ba kasi kita yung bag na parang galing sa ibang bansa.
Oo, ayun ang funny.
OFW pa naman yun.
Ayun yung mga modus atin, no?
Wala, kinuha. Kawawa talaga kasi yung mga papilis nandun.
Oo. Mestre Italy.
Yung Asbo, yun yung bus.
Ah,
Train bus ang paborito. Yung
Ayan,
paborito,
yung
yun yung mura.
paborito.
Vaporito.
Ah,
Yun yung
Vaporito.
water bus.
Ah, ayun yun.
Mura yan. Kaysa water taxi. Ang water
Oo.
taxi mahal.
Oh, mahal yung water taxi. Dito mga mayamanin na yung mga ano dito, oh. Yes, malapit na kami sa ano namin. Puntahan. Italia na sila dito, na. Italia. Ayan yung boss namin, kaya wala.
Alam mo yung asawa ng ano lang si
Go.
Dito na pala yun ha. Palitan naman ang ano. Benicia. Oh. Sinabi niyang Pali Roma.
Akala ko, di ba yan ang pinatayong
Bet?
Ay, tsura ko para no. Medyo social naman ang konti. Pakawak na.
Magsalita ka, Bi, para ano, first time in Benicia, what you feel?
Nakakaiyak.
Yung aeroplano natin, habang bitawan yan.
Dito na kami titira.
Oo. Pinagawa niya to eh.
Pinagawa namin.
This is it, the Benicia Kai. Okay. 10 euro.
Bella, ciao, ciao, ciao.
We are in Benicia. Karating lang namin, hindi pa
Ganda.
kami nag... mamaya. Bindis.
Diyan ka lang.
Slow motion. Meron ng ano mo? Ng print.
Historic apologize na.
Slow mo ako na tumatawa.
Because we will just be staying
We
right
just
there.
arrived.
Not far from
Because
here.
we're looking our apartment. We are hungry now. We didn't eat.
Yeah, we need to eat. Ganda ng shit.
Pang 2 person lang talaga siya, no? Ito na yung ano namin. Ayan, bukas ito na may nilabot. Taas.
Ito daw, punta natin.
Ito. Our hotel. Baka. Oh, wait. Layo ka. Marumi lang siya. Antik-antik man. Okay, ang baho. Wag tayo. Nalago tayo. Okay na ba tayo muna?
See, 12 o'clock na tama.
This is our, this guys. Ito na yung namin. Andito na kami sa hotel namin. Nasa loob na kami. Ayan yung view.